Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to hide Instagram following and follower list 2023. Open up the Instagram app. Go into your profile from the bottom right corner. Click on menu from the top right corner. Go into settings and privacy. Here search upload contact. Then click to open it. Tap on your Instagram's account. Turn on the Connect Contacts option. It says couldn't load more. Then choose to cancel it. Search Restricted, then click to open it. Press the Continue button. Search for an account you want to restrict. You can add as many accounts as you want here. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.